As a business owner, how much more would your life improve if you can improve your sales for your business? What if you could produce opportunities, sales opportunities, and revenue for your company 24 hours a day, 365 days out of the year? As a business owner, marketing for your company can be a real struggle, a real beast. You look around at all the tactics and the technology that moves at a breakneck pace, and you begin to get frustrated and stressed out, and you begin to feel like you can't keep up. You see, when I first started in business, I was told all the following: that in order to be successful, I had to knock on every door. I had to make every cold call. I had to wake up early and go to every networking meeting. I had to be involved in every chamber event, that I had to shake all the hands, that I had to kiss all the babies. I was told that I had to work 15 hours a day, that I had to work on the weekends, that I had to neglect my family, that I was probably going to develop a prescription drug habit to anxiety medications or start drinking heavily. All those things that if I did them, that maybe, just maybe, I could be successful in business. On the surface, it's not bad advice. We all know and recognize that in order to see results in our business, that sometimes we have to work hard, we have to sacrifice, we have to make a commitment to growth. But here's the secret. One way that smart business owners are scaling their business, that they're improving their sales, and they're making more money in their companies is with our proven, tested video marketing strategies. I want to show you what some of our students who have gone through our program, who are in it today, what kind of results they're seeing by using the Made You Look video marketing frameworks and strategies. Aurora says, I have to give Nicholas Ayers another shout out. My wooden boat video has been turned off for 3 months, but by using his strategies and placing it on YouTube and using the retargeting, a Washington lead dropped in yesterday for a wooden boat, home, auto, and ad agency commercial account. 3 vacation homes, 12 classic cars. He was impressed that he hasn't stopped seeing me for 4 months. Christian writes, the ghost ROI. Every time I release a video, every time I get a phone call or an email asking me to bind coverage. This is the ghost return of video marketing. It causes people to take action. Make your videos, listen to Nicholas Ayers' advice, pay attention, it matters, and it works. Chris writes, I just ran into somebody and they told me how much they were loving my videos. I've got to give Nicholas Ayers another shout out on this one. Consistency is everything. Now, I want to teach you everything that they know, but first let me ask you a question. Does the idea of being on camera, talking about your business, does it make you feel nervous, or does it give you anxiety or make you feel uncomfortable? Do your hands get clammy and cold just thinking about what you might say or how you might look on camera? I get it. That's where everybody starts. In fact, that's where I started when I first started doing video. It's totally natural, it's normal, and it's an easy objection that you can overcome. Do you feel like learning this might be way too much for you to take on, that you don't know if you'll be able to implement strategies and you don't know where to begin? It just seems like it's really, really complicated. A lot of people feel that way too. In fact, I know that many of our students, when they first join in our program, they have no idea where to start. They have no comfortability. They don't know where to begin. That's what we help teach you to do. I make it so simple. In fact, most people think video editing and video marketing is this great big struggle and challenge. But what we use is we utilize my 20 plus years in the field of video marketing to help you learn the lessons fast, to implement quick, and to see results even faster. Check out this video of me from 1997. This is me 20 plus years ago as a young teenager operating a camera, making content. I think back then it was cool to wear a white undershirt underneath your shirt, I guess. If you're like 99% of most entrepreneurs, then the idea of getting on camera scares you to death. But good news, you're in great company. You see, the early adopters, those who have implemented our strategies, those who have cut through the rough jungle of their fears and anxieties, have been able to close more sales, build an audience, generate attention, make more money, and do all the things that they're wanting to do that improves their quality of life and business. And I want to make these trainings available to you. Sound interesting? Do you want to know more? Then I'd like to personally invite you to a 1-hour masterclass. This masterclass is 1 hour of us going over just one tactic, just one strategy that we teach and go over in our full program. I want you to take advantage of this absolutely free training that we show you that's going to allow you to improve in the area of your video marketing. All you have to do is click on the link that's somewhere on this page, somewhere on this video. It's going to ask you to fill in your name and your email address. From there, you're going to get an email that's going to take you into the 4-part training. Now, when you go through this training, I want you to take as many notes. I want you to think of creative ways that you can apply this to your business, because at the end of the day, I want you to see results. I want you to improve in the area of telling your story and generating attention and getting more people to want to talk to you as the authority in your niche and in your industry. Click on the link. Take advantage of this free training right now. Learn all the ways just you can begin to get in front of your audience. I'll see you right after the training.